Okay, on number 12, we're looking for how far from the airport will the jet overtake the private plane. So we're looking for at what point will the jet and the plane be an equal distance from the airport. So as we set up a chart here, I've got one already set up for you with columns for rate, time, and distance. And let's look in the problem. It says that the private plane goes due east at a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. So we'll write that rate in as 180. 2 hours later, uh, the jet has a speed of 900 kilometers per hour. Our time is going to be represented with, if we know that the jet left 2 hours later, then we know that it has 2 hours less time than the plane did. So if I let t represent the time of the plane, then t minus 2 would be the time of the jet. And then we know that distance equals rate times time. So this one would be 180 times t and 900 times t minus 2. We're looking for when the plane and the jet are an equal distance from that airport. So I'm going to set those two distances equal to each other. 180t equals 900 times t minus 2. So that would be 180t equals 900t minus 1800. If I subtract 900t from both sides, that would give me negative 720t would be equal to negative 1800. And then divide both sides by negative 720. So t is going to be equal to a positive 2.5. But that's not the question they're asking for. It says how far from the airport will the jet overtake the private plane? So the time is 2.5 hours, but we're looking for the distance. So if we come back up to the distance of the plane, that would be 180 times 2.5, and that is going to give me 450 kilometers. So the jet will overtake the private plane 450 kilometers from the airport.